Which cordless snow shovel is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, EGO Power Plus 12-inch electric snow shovel. First up is the EGO Power Plus 12-inch electric snow shovel. Priced at $359, this one caught my eye with its sleek design and powerful specs. If you want a reliable shovel that can tackle heavy snow without breaking a sweat, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a clearing width of 12 inches and can throw snow up to 25 feet away. This means you can clear your driveway quickly and efficiently, especially if you're dealing with 6 inches of snow. The included 2.5 Ah battery and efficient brushless motor allow for longer run times, which is perfect for those big snow days. Plus, with a rating of 4.2 stars from 170 reviews, it's clear that many people swear by its performance. Now, some people complained about the weight being a bit on the heavier side. Here's the thing though, while it might feel a bit bulky for some, the power it delivers makes it a solid investment for anyone with a larger area to clear. This is perfect for you if you frequently deal with heavy snow and need something that can handle the workload. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. Overall, it offers great value for serious snow removal needs. Now, if the weight of the EGO bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Litholy Cordless Snow Shovel. Next up is the Litholy Cordless Snow Shovel, priced at just $154.81. This one really stood out because it's a fantastic option for those who want a balance between power and affordability. If you're after a lightweight snow shovel that still packs a punch, this one's worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a clearing width of 12 inches and can blow snow up to 20 feet away. This makes it extremely efficient for clearing smaller areas like decks and patios. Plus, the 20V battery provides fade-free power for up to 35 minutes, which is pretty impressive for a cordless model. With a solid 4.2-star rating from 727 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance and user-friendly design. Now, some people have mentioned that the battery life can dip in colder temperatures. Here's the thing though, if you take the battery inside to warm up before use, you can get a solid performance out of it. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight alternative that's still powerful. Skip this one if you need to clear large areas regularly. For the price, it offers great value, especially for smaller jobs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for battery efficiency. Product number 3, Degi Electric Cordless Snow Shovel. Coming in at $139.99, we have the Degi Electric Cordless Snow Shovel. This caught my attention because of its dual battery setup and lightweight design. If ease of use is what you're after, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes with two 21V batteries, giving you up to 34 minutes of runtime to tackle your entire driveway or sidewalk. It also has a 12-inch clearing width, so you can efficiently handle snow up to 6 inches deep without breaking your back. The adjustable chute allows you to control where the snow goes, which is super handy when working in tight spaces. It boasts a 4.1-star rating from 266 reviews, showing that users appreciate its effectiveness and features. Now, some users have mentioned it struggles with heavy, wet snow. Here's the thing though, if you just loosen it up with a regular shovel first, it does a great job of clearing the lighter stuff afterward. This is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and easy to maneuver. Skip this one if you regularly deal with heavy snow without assistance. For the value, it's hard to beat this option. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power and a wider clearing capacity, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Earthwise SN7401640V Cordless Snow Shovel. Now we have the Earthwise SN74016, priced at an unknown amount, but boasting a 4.1-star rating from 2,200 reviews. This one really shines with its 16-inch clearing width and powerful motor. If you want something that can tackle medium to heavy snow, this might be your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can throw snow up to 32 feet and move about 300 pounds of snow per minute. That's seriously impressive and can save you a ton of time on those long winter days. With an 8-inch clearing depth, you can handle deeper snow without difficulty. This model is also equipped with an ergonomic handle and large rear wheels for easy maneuverability. Now, some people found it a bit bulky for smaller areas. Here's the thing though, if you have a larger property or need to clear wide paths, the power and efficiency definitely make up for it. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of ground to cover and need something that performs. Skip this one if you're just looking for quick touch-ups. It's a solid contender for those who need serious snow-clearing muscle. Now, if you're looking for an efficient, compact model that still offers great power, the next shovel might be just right for you. Product number 5, Wild Badger Power 40V Cordless Electric Snow Shovel. Finally, we have the Wild Badger Power 40V Cordless Electric Snow Shovel, priced at $189.80. This model stands out with its brushless motor and compact design. If maneuverability is key for you, this one's definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It clears a 12-inch wide path and can tackle snow up to 8 inches deep, throwing it up to 20 feet. This makes it perfect for those tight spaces around your entryways and porches. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for all ages. The 4.3-star rating from 110 reviews shows that many users find it effective and user-friendly. Now, there have been some complaints about the fixed forward throw being limiting. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly working in smaller areas, this design actually simplifies the process. This is perfect for you if you need something that's easy to maneuver and effective in tight spots. Skip this one if you require a wider clearing width. For the price, it offers great performance for casual snow clearing. In conclusion, if you're looking for a powerful option, the EGO and Earthwise are fantastic for larger areas, while the Lithely and Degi are great for lightweight needs. And for those tight spaces, the Wild Badger Power really shines. To wrap it all up, we've covered 5 solid, cordless snow shovels today. Whether you need something powerful for heavy snow or a lightweight option for quick jobs, there's definitely a pick for everyone here. Just remember to consider your specific needs before making a choice.